What up, Pop?
I said you got your chargers and everything?
Yes, I got my chargers. I got my GoPro on. I'm actually on it right now. I am.
Okay,
I got off work right now. I'm gonna go to Mom's house to get my rifle, and then I'm gonna head over and pick you up. Sounds good?
Okay, I'm ready. I just got put my bow away. I just got my bag, my backpack, and my hat, and I'm ready.
All right, sounds good. I don't have a lot of stuff compared to last time, so but we're gonna be good.
Yeah, like I say, just while you bring that nice shit so I can throw that meat in there for them.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, I'll see you when you. Be careful.
All right, I'll talk to you later.
Bye.
What's up, YouTube? It is January, April 26th. Am I right? April. Are we in April? Yes, April 26th. It's a Friday. Just got off work. I'm gonna go pick up my pops right after I go get my gun. We are going to turkey. We're going turkey hunting in San Carlos Apache Reservation in Arizona. Me and my dad got our turkey tags last week in the mail. We're ready to go. Main objective is to shoot our turkeys with our bow, but just due to the totality of the circumstance, if we don't get that close, we have our AR-15 as well. So it's going to be a good trip. It's going to be about a 7.5-hour drive. We should show up to the Apache Gold's casino around about 9 o'clock, and hopefully we'll be in time to hit the seafood buffet. But just like our last pig hunt in our last video, we got it the very first day we got into Arizona. So we're hoping we have the same luck. Talking to our friends that live in the reservation right now, a lot of people didn't really see any turkeys 2 weeks ago. So we're hoping tomorrow is going to be different. We're going to get up early in the morning and get an early hunt on. So it's going to be a good trip. Just stand by. I'll give you more information in a bit. Right on, we made it. There's my pops. What up, man? Oh, nice. I'm ready, man. What's up? Let's do it. All right, got all of our stuff, man. We're ready to go. Car's kind of dirty, but you know it's gonna get dirty when we're out there anyway. My pops is ready to go. We're out of here, man. Catch you guys. Let's do it.
Run the world, John.
Around 8:39. If we miss
Early start tomorrow.
Let's get an early start.
Well,
I'm just letting you know, dude. I only brought my bow if I can get close, but I'm gonna.
All you know is all a lie, all caught up in paradise, running away from everything real, everything that hurts to feel. All you know is all that you've put up to keep you from the truth, a wall to keep out all the hurt, only to keep out all that's worth. All along you thought that you were better off if all you knew was gold. All along you've been a fool, and it's getting old.
I'm dehydrating right now. Just missed. My arrow just hit the brush when I saw the turkey, but I'm like super pumped up right now. We're gonna be hunting all day. It's nice. It's perfect weather, t-shirt weather. So stand by to stand by. More to go.
Right here, short. Let's go short. Taking a fishing break right here. Been turkey hunting all day long.
Oh, that one. That one. Yeah,
Fish on?
buddy. I'm trying. Here it comes. Here it comes. Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice bluegill. Let's check it out.
Trying to grab it without fucking on my hand. These things hurt.
That's a nice one, man.
Nice one. Yeah.
That's a good pan-sized bluegill. That's perfect to eat.
Oh, got one. Got one, yeah. It's on, big dog. It's on. It's on. There it is. It's a bass. Oh, fucking guy. Motherfucker. It's in there good, man. Short dog. AZ. Best spot to go fishing.
This is perfect.
Flex on him, flex on him. Flex on him. What's up, YouTube? It's day 2 of the hunt. I'm gonna be real with you guys. I missed yesterday. My arrow didn't get through the brush. If you saw it in the last video, I wasn't able to get it. Fishing was awesome though. Bluegill were hitting like crazy. Every cast we were catching something. We're about to hit it up again early. We went to go see where the turkeys were roosting yesterday. So we already know where to go. So we're gonna have a fresh start. We should bag our turkey early and just end our day with some fishing again. So it's gonna be a good time. We're gonna go pick up Monster at his house and meet up with Short Dog there again. And we're gonna head up to probably Red Box and get the job done. So yeah, so stand by to stand by. Right on.
Yeah.
Baby. This shit has a kick, man. Oh, turkey season over. Nice, but good. Intense. I didn't think it was far. I was like, that's a far distance for a shotgun.
Got right in the head. Right.
That's a good one. That's round two. Day two, round two. Stay tuned for bear season. August, first week.
Shot.
Huh? I was like, dude, that's a long. When you said shoot it, I was like, all right.
I'm so happy for you.
There was a bunch of them running down. Ah, that's a big one. That's bigger than yesterday's. That's a big turkey, dude. Oh, love you so much. Look at the size of that. Look at the beard. That's the beard you wanted?
It's a nice bird, man.
That's a butterball, dude. I was like, that's the pack leader right there.
What do you think, Eric?
That's a big bird, man. That's stuff I've never got.
What do you think of our...
We'll edit that out.
What do you say about the YouTube thing?
Oh man, stay tuned. Stay tuned. That's all happening. It's happening all the time.
Fuck.
Done deal.
Done deal, man.
We gotta get away on this thing, man.
You kind of caught us by surprise. They were coming this way. They didn't even know it. I thought it was hung up on the other side.
It's a beautiful bird.
Yeah. See, when you said like I didn't think we were gonna get something this big.
It's a nice bird, huh?
It is a beautiful bird.
You got blood all over your ass too. Good job, Eric. Proud of you. It's gonna be your year, dude. I told you it's gonna be your year.
For the turkey hunt. It's the last turkey hunt of the season. It starts tomorrow, first thing in the morning. We're gonna meet up with Short Dog and Monster and get our hunt start. San Carlos, where we at, Pop?
We're in the San Carlos Reservation and we're hunting in some prime turkey habitat. Get out of the way. Move it.
Hey, asshole. See any turkeys? Hey, bitch.
To pick them up
In Maley Gap.
and we're gonna head up to Maley Gap. We're picking up Munster. He's in Peridot, and then we're gonna head out to Maley Gap.
You don't say that shit twice. We said it 3 times.
Yeah,
All right, start over.
yeah.
Like that one.